Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up contactless payments with your credit card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up contactless payments with your credit card, start by checking if your card has contactless technology. Look for the contactless symbol, which resembles a wave or four horizontal lines. Next, ensure that your smartphone is compatible with contactless payments if you plan to use it. Download a digital wallet app, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to add your credit card information. You may need to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Some apps require you to verify your identity through a text message or email. Once verification is complete, your card will be added to the digital wallet. Now, find a contactless-enabled payment terminal at your favorite store or restaurant. When you're ready to pay, hold your card or smartphone near the terminal till you hear a beep or see a checkmark. This indicates that your payment has been processed. Remember to keep your card or smartphone within a few centimeters of the terminal for a successful transaction. If your transaction is not processed, check if your card is activated for contactless payments. Additionally, ensure that the terminal is functioning properly. For added security, consider setting a passcode or biometric lock on your smartphone. Regularly monitor your account statements for any unauthorized transactions. Finally, familiarize yourself with your card issuer's contactless payment policies for any specific guidelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.